Now in this section we're going to have a look at the Java programming language that we'll be using in this course for creating our Android apps. And of course we've done some Java programming so far. Now we're going to look at the basics of the language, covering things like what variables are and how the different types of variables I should say, and also how to perform arithmetic in Java. Now we'll go on to look at object-oriented programming in Java, and we'll see what classes are and how we actually go about creating them, really trying to get an understanding of that. Now there's actually quite a bit of jargon in object-oriented programming, so we're going to learn what inheritance means and see the difference between overloading and overriding methods. And we'll also look at different ways we can get a Java program to repeat sections of code using things like while, for, and do while loops. Now this is only an introduction, but as most of the heavy lifting in Android programming is performed by the Android framework, as well as the classes that it provides, you'll find that this tutorial should really get you up and running and hopefully give you the basics to really help you as a Java programmer. Now if you want to dig deeper into the Java programming language, then I've actually created a full Java course which runs over 40 hours, so feel free to check that out if you need to. But let's get started now with the Java tutorial.